Hello, in this video we'll be talking about if and function. If with and function. I've talked about the if function separately and also the and function separately. This one is to show us how the two functions can be combined together in Excel. This is a table that is showing employees' names, attendance, sales target, and the result. I want us to see in this video how we can use this. I told us in the first video I did for if that it is used to return results based on condition. And the AND function, I said it is used when it returns results when the two logic are met. When the two logic are met in the sense that if the attendance is 90 and the sales target is yes, return true. That is what the AND function does. And in this video, we'll be using the two functions to return single result. And the first one that's wrong that we first of all look for is the AND. For instance, now we want to look at the employee that has attendance that is greater than 90 or 90 from above attendance and has met sales target, we get bonus. Outside of that, they will not get bonus. So, and to start with that, we write our equal to, and we start with if. You open a parenthesis. If, and the next one to do is and. And after this and also you open another parenthesis. This is telling us that the first one that that Excel will treat is the and. It will check if the two conditions are met. Don't forget that I said in my last video that and work when two conditions are true, when the conditions you are telling Excel are true. Now let's check the condition we are working with in this video. We are working with C2, and I want it to be if C2 is greater than or equal to 90, which is the attendance benchmark, right? And the next one is D2. If D2 is equal to yes, we have yes there. You open a quote, I write yes, I close the quote, and I will close this parenthesis. The parenthesis, you can see that it has red. It means it's for and. Excel will first of all look at this and statement if it is true. If C2 is equal to or greater than 90 and if D2 equal to yes, then it is true. It will return it. After that, we go back to our if. If you remember what I said if does, I said if make condition works based on condition. If the condition is true, and I said in that video that if it rains today, I will not go out. But if it doesn't rain, I will go out. And same thing comes for this one we are doing today also. If any of these two is met, then there is bonus. I put bonus. And if it's not, no bonus. If they don't meet any of these two conditions, no bonus. You put it in quotes too. Sorry, bonus. You put it in quotes. You close the parenthesis. Can we say that the parenthesis is in black? This is for if. Don't forget, this is the first one that we first look for. It will look for the and to know if these two are met. Then it will now go to if they will get a bonus or not. After that, you click on enter. Can we see that John has bonus because John has 90% attendance and he met the sales target. And let's see if the other people will also get the same thing. When you drag it down like this to see, can we see that the rest has no bonus because this person did not have 90% of attendance, but they meet the sales target. This person has 95% attendance, which is more than the 90% benchmark but did not meet the sales target. This person did not meet the sales target and did not also meet the 90% attendance. So that's what if and and function can do for us in Excel. While I have worked with this on the job as a procurement analyst, whenever we are looking for vendors that are eligible or that has been approved. Yes, whenever you are looking for vendors that have been approved, I used if and function to look at the criteria they use for them. Maybe if it is vendor that uh that delivers promptly, their amount, their prices, their authenticity rather, their maybe the value of their product or anything are what I will use to return the vendors that is approved based on the stakeholders or the CEO conditions. And another people that can use this on the job are this you have the sales people. If you are trying to get the customers that is eligible for your incentive or anything, you can use this. And also HR, you can also use this to get employees that can get bonus like I did in this video, and so on and so forth. Even as a data analyst, before you move into SQL, you can use this also. Before in SQL, you're still going to work with logical operators like this, where you will be able to use this and the likes in SQL. And this preliminary knowledge of it will be able to help you when you are working with SQL. And that's that in this video, and I will see you all in my next video.